Intra.
Oh, jeez.
I go to auctions and buy stuff.
How did that happen?
I'm a back road bidder.
The sun!
How do you know what the sun looks like?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if we're qualified to identify the sun. We haven't seen it before.
It's been like 3 days.
A couple of videos ago I said, welcome to my first viral video. It didn't go viral, so you could still be a part of history. Make this one go viral. I think you only need 1 million views to be viral, right?
I don't know. Hey, I have like 28 cousins. Just on one side.
That is so scary and weird. Because your family's reproducing.
Oh, wow.
I'll edit that out.
No, leave it in.
So hopefully we can get in and out of this auction before the storms come back.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. That'll keep the tree from falling over.
Yeah, it's got it propped up all around now. That's it. Both for reasons.
Yeah, no problem.
I don't know whether to wait, go over for a couple minutes, for 30, 40 minutes.
Good. That might be right, I guess.
Yeah, where are you guys from?
I'm from down by like Cotton area.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
And there's a sale down that way today too. More of those. Yeah.
I got
Yeah, I was listening to him on the way in.
Seen anything good? Nice. Real mature.
PS4, there's some Xbox 360 games here.
Oh my gosh.
And then
Oh yeah.
there's 2 of them. So
PS1.
that one and
Another PS1.
Nintendo. Or no, PS, I'm sorry, yep.
Yeah, it's got a Nintendo book.
Yep.
50, now 50, da 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 50. Hit 250, you take the one you want. 250, da 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 50, da 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 240, 50, you done through now 250, da 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 40, you get it at 50. Sell it to you 240. Put them on number 2.
Yeah.
Just taking one?
Yep.
Just taking one. Go again.
240, right?
240. I'm buyer number 2.
Yep, got it.
Choice again. 100. Want to be 100? 100. 800. 510. 800. 10. 800. 10. 510. Now 10. Bill. Hit 510. 800. Get it a 10. 800. 10. Bill. Hit it a 10. 510. 10. 15. 15. 20. Now 20. 5. 25. 30. Down 5. Down 40. Down 40. Hit 40. Now 5. 45. 50. Down 5. 55. 60. Now 5. 65. 70. Now 70. Now 5. 75. 80. 80. Now 90. Give 90. Now 100. Hit 100 out of bill. Hit it about 100 out of 10. 800. Get it 10. 20. 120. That'll be the 10. 20. Done through now 20. That'll be the 110 and 20. So 110. Your number today is. Hey, choice of the games again right there. Hit 10, 15, dollar bill. Hit 10, 15, 15, dollar in the 15, 15, dollar 15, 15, 15, 10 bucks word, $10 in the 10, the 10 dollar in the 10, now 15. I took it here, 10 to 15. Hit 10, 15, dollar bill. Had you the 15, 15, 12 and a half to help you. Now 12, 50. Hit 10, 12 and a half. You done through, now 10 and 12 and a half. So $10 on number 46.
Gotta move the car. I'm too far away. Whew. Carried one load up here and just about killed me, and Marcy's loading up, so I need to get the car closer. Heck of a day for an auction. This makes me sad. It's not even nice stuff. There's books getting wet, jewelry boxes, electronics. A mess. Oh my god. It's a typhoon! So we left early, went out for Mexican food, and dripped all over our bench seats in the booth.
Are you filming?
Yeah, it's going right now.
Okay.
What you got, woman? I didn't put nothing back here.
Did you see me trying to fight to put my
No.
raincoat on?
Was it like George Bush thing?
Yeah. I'm like, screw it. I'm already wet anyway. So I paid, I think, $5 for this flat. I needed to have this.
Is it a planter?
Yeah.
I guess I didn't realize what it was.
Yeah, there's stuff in there.
Well, let's see it. Yep, I see the family resemblance.
It's my dad.
It does look like your
He
dad.
looks just like my dad.
I have seen these glasses. Like, this is like the third time this summer I've seen this.
It seemed like we just... Oh, that's cool. It's on the inside, not on the outside, though.
Yeah.
Okay. It's brass.
Yeah, I wouldn't drink wine out of that.
This is Montgomery Ward's.
Oh, interesting.
This is the ice crusher.
I don't know what happened to the one I had.
Gosh, that's really heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cracked right there.
I had a red and white one.
Ouch. Interesting.
That might be a good color to sell. Are those diamonds?
Oh, yeah.
What? Did you say I don't know?
I said, oh, yeah.
Oh. It's not very old. I can tell that.
Oh, yeah, I see that now.
It's funky.
What kind of...
It looks like a lamp that would be in, like, Austin Powers'
Oh,
rumpus room.
nice.
That's kind of neat.
That's just a... Yeah. That's actually heavy.
It might be brass.
It feels like it. That's a nice one, though. She bought it. She probably had it blessed by her priest. But since I bought it from her, I would have to take it to my priest and have it be blessed by my priest.
Oh.
For it to...
I didn't know that was a thing. Why would you bless your candles?
Because it's for... What does it say? Blessed candles have found an appropriate place in the Catholic household for many generations. For sick calls... What is that? Veneration of patron saints and family rosaries. It's just my thrift store still.
Yeah, we don't look at that thrift store crap. Oh, the sun again. This is such a weird day.
2 times today we saw the sun. These came with...
There's a... Did it come with that bug?
Yeah.
Go away.
Is it live?
No.
Oh.
No, he's crusty. I spent $25. $20 on this PS3 with all these accessories. Oh, those are PS2 controllers. Well, I'll use them too. But I got PS3 and controllers. For $5, I got this thing. It's a lot of PC games and might be all crap. I don't know. I don't know what's in here. So that, I don't know. I'll just have to check it out. I see some, yeah, PC Puzzle Master, card games, card makers. That old software will sell.
So,
What's that one?
Dubuque on the Mississippi.
Le Petit Nuit?
Dubuque Folklore 2.
Oh, you missed the Folklore 1. I saw that one there too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Shoot. I didn't see that.
So it's kind of history stuff.
New edition wiring. Simplified.
Nice.
Based on 1968 code.
Well, that's probably what ours is based on. So.
Probably.
Taste of Ireland, the Irish in America. Dubuque. What's this? How the Irish won the West. The course of Irish history. I'm seeing a trend here.
I'm happy with what I got.
I'm pretty happy too. It just
And I got my dad.
stinks to go that far just to
Yeah,
buy 5 lots, but
it happens.
we tried.
It's not all rainbows and unicorns.
We tried to tough it out, and we aren't that tough anymore. Let's get this stuff carried in before the next storm comes through.
Yeah.
Come on, let's see what we got.
Your blinkers on. It's been on.
That's ridiculous.
I see your nails. Very nice.
Do I need a Manning?
I can give you one. I can do your right hand right now.
Want to see?
Wanna see?
Come on! Go look at it. Just look at it.